Hi, here I'm going to talk about major assignment 2 financial computation parts, and this Excel template has about 6 pages, and I'm going to talk about student loans page. Alright, as you see over this page, there are two main calculation. The first one is subsidized student loan, and the other one is unsubsidized student loan. I'm going to compute the monthly payments for each loan. Just to give you a quick explanation, subsidized student loan is a loan type that students do not pay interest while they are in school because the government's going to pay the interest, and they start paying after graduation, and the original loan and plus interest. But in the case of unsubsidized student loan, the students would pay interest while they're in school, but the payments start after graduation in both cases. All right, so we use the student loan amount to be entered on B22. To do so, go to the tab, click on the tab income and projection, enter your name on the top left corner here in the blue rectangle. Read this instruction. You need to enter at least 10 letters for your name. I'm gonna enter XXX just as if it's my name, just pretending. Hit enter. So values, student loan amount is going to be generated here on B25. So we need also more information, more value. Here on the top, we need interest rates for March 2013 on those table. So to get those value, you need to go to the mortgage page. Read this instruction. You need to go to the mortgage page. The next tab, click on it, March 2013. All right, so March 2013, you're gonna go down until this is a year. All right, here's March 2013. All right, it's gonna be 3.52. All right, enter 3.52. Also enter the percentage symbol. Don't forget that one. I'm gonna use the cell reference. Right, enter equal. Then click on the interest rate. Hit enter on the keyboard. It's gonna transfer the rate. All right, go down a little bit. We have this again, the student loan amount, $32,742. That's the student loan amount. All right, so we're going to use those values and to be entered on table 4A and 4B. So the goal is to compute the monthly payment, which is PMT, in both cases, on subsidized and unsubsidized cases. So how much the student would pay every month after graduation. All right, I'm going to transfer the loan amount to B25. To do so, enter equal. Click on the loan amount. It's going to be transferred. The APR is annual percentage rate is 3.5%, and on cell B27, number of payments per year, that is the number of months in a year. So there are 12 months in a year. You're gonna pay every month. All right, you're gonna pay for how many years? For 10 years. So you're gonna pay the loan after graduation for the next 10 years. So T stands for number of years. All right. Next, we're gonna use the loan payments or PMT, monthly payment formula. To find the formula, you have been given this formula here on your assignment. So we're gonna use this PMT formula. Okay, you're gonna enter equal and the other formula. Okay, so you're gonna use using this formula, enter equal the principal amount or the loan amount times shift 8, open parenthesis, R, the interest rate, divided by n. N is a number of payment, which is a number of months in a year. All right, close the parenthesis. Divided by, open parenthesis, 1 minus, open parenthesis again, 1 plus rates divided by number of months in a year, close parenthesis, to the power of shift 6 is the power symbol, open parenthesis, minus for negative, and again number of months in a year times the number of years, the loan period. Okay, hit enter. Hopefully it's gonna work. All right, let me see. All right, here you go. So the monthly payment is $324.79 when you round it up. All right, now next you are asked to find out the total amount paid to the loan. So how much you're gonna pay for the 10 years. All right, given those value. Okay, all right, enter equal monthly payment times number of years times 12 months per year. All right, you're gonna pay $38,889.47 in 10 years. Okay, let us put those in the dollar sign. Okay, currency. All right, so the monthly payment is this one. Your total amount to be paid is this much. It has interest, okay, already in it. So how much interest you paid already? So hit enter equal your total payments minus the loan amount. Hit enter. So you pay interests of $6,147.47. Okay, that's the interest you paid in 10 years. All right, in the case of unsubsidized student loan, number of years, of course you're gonna pay 10 years after graduation, and you're gonna pay every month. All right, and however here on cell E27, you're gonna compute the interest that is supposed to pay while you are in the school. So to find the interest while you are in school, you're gonna use simple interest formula. So enter equal, copy the loan amount times the interest rate, click on the interest rate, times the number of years you are in school. So you are in school 4 years, right? So you're gonna enter 4. All right, so that's the simple interest that you're supposed to pay while you are in school. Now the total principal amount to be repaid is of course equal the loan amount plus the interest that's accumulated while you are in school. All right, that's your loan amount assumed after graduation. Okay, now n is the number of payment per year, that means the number of months in a year, that's for n. A number of years, the loan period is 10 years, you're gonna pay for the next 10 years after graduation, and the monthly payment, PMT, is gonna compute exactly using this formula. Okay, the one I just used in the 4a table. So you're gonna use this formula exactly, but you don't put B. All right, make sure you use the right cell reference. That means you're gonna use this formula. Okay, you're gonna use this formula, the PMT formula, in here in cell E32. Okay, you're gonna do the same way, all right, like I did right here. Then next, you're gonna total amount paid. That means the PMT times 10 times 12 is gonna give you the total amount you paid. Then the interest is just the total amount paid minus the loan amount, right? All right, thank you very much.